Every morning, the sun floods our planet with more energy in 1 hour than humanity uses in an entire year. But the question is, how do we capture it? That's where solar panels come in, sleek sheets of silicon that are quietly powering homes, cities, and even satellites. Today, we'll break down how solar panels actually work and why they might be the key to a cleaner, brighter future. To understand solar energy, we first need to understand light. Sunlight is made of tiny particles called photons, packets of energy traveling from the sun's surface to Earth in just 8 minutes. When these photons hit certain materials like silicon, they can knock electrons loose. And once electrons start moving, that's electricity. This discovery, known as the photovoltaic effect, was made over 180 years ago. It's the foundation of all solar technology today. A solar panel is made of many small units called solar cells. Each cell is a thin slice of silicon, the same material used in computer chips. Here's how it works. One layer of silicon is given a positive charge, the other a negative charge, creating an electric field. When sunlight hits the surface, it frees electrons, which are pulled by this field, creating an electric current. Wires inside the panel capture that current and send it through an inverter, which converts DC power into AC power, the kind your home and appliances use every day. Simple, clean, efficient. Once the electricity is generated, it can power homes directly, charge batteries, or even feed back into the power grid. This is called net metering, where homeowners actually earn credits for the extra energy they produce. Solar isn't just on rooftops, it's everywhere. Entire solar farms now stretch across deserts, producing hundreds of megawatts of power. Even satellites and the International Space Station rely entirely on solar energy to orbit Earth. So why is solar energy so powerful? Because it's renewable, silent, and clean. No smoke, no fuel, no emissions. Every panel installed helps cut down on carbon pollution and dependency on fossil fuels. And as technology advances, solar panels are becoming cheaper, more efficient, and longer lasting over 25 years with little maintenance. Of course, solar energy isn't perfect. It depends on weather, sunlight hours, and storage technology. That's why scientists are focusing on better batteries, smart grids, and solar storage systems to keep the lights on even when the sun goes down. But progress is fast. From Tesla's Powerwall to massive solar farms in China and India, the clean energy revolution is already here. In the end, solar panels aren't just a technology, they're a symbol of human innovation, a reminder that we don't have to fight the planet to power our future. We can work with it. The sun has been shining for billions of years, and now we're finally learning how to use it. This is solar energy, the light that powers tomorrow.